the way up there.
I know. Look, it was one of the can mounts. Somebody knocked it down. That's crazy.
That's insane. Look, dude, rest in peace. Look, right there.
Oh my God. This guy's a drone. He must be taking drone footage.
So this is hole number 5 for Blackbeard's challenge. Look, there's another one over here. Neath this grass lies one Bill. If he'd seen what was coming, he'd be here still. I mean, that is so freaking cool. Let's go see what this one says.
Bartholomew Roberts alias Black Bart.
Bartholomew Roberts alias Black Bart.